Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So we've been decoding the Who Pinball Wizard, and we've got our extraction letters to go through all the categories. We've got our numerological numbers to go through all the categories after we converted the letters to numbers, including atomic numbers, which should have been done before, but I had failed to do it. Now I saw I saw that pattern there, and we did it. Now we're going to start doing it with numbers. All right, once we get there, just see what's there. Um, and then we ran our binary code through all the categories, and we connected a couple dots that way, squeezed a little more information out, and now we're going to run regular binary code through the categories and see what we get. Now, in order to do that, I've used INGS because playing changed to plays, and he fell off twice. He plays changed to plays, and he ain't changed to ain't. So if you cross off PLAY and PLAY because they're alike, you're left with ING and S. We brought INGS down, and then he fell off twice. We brought he down twice. So now I'm going to use, what I've done is use the binary alphabet converter, and I copy pasted two letters at a time, which is 7 numbers. All right, because 3 was too much. So if you start right with IN, which ends up being 01101010101110110, and run that against finance, you get um, oh, come on now. You get personal finance and financial stack exchange. But you also get, and I want to make note of this, going dark, going forward, House Committee on Homeland Security, trade secrets, financial transactions, and personal communications. All right. And Defense and Intelligence unit is Wiki, so I'd stay away from Wiki anything pretty much. But there's a few things here. That's all on page 2. I'll provide my search. And again, I'll say it, we don't get a whole lot. We don't get as much out of the numbers for finance for some reasons. Once in a while, you get a little more. But then if you go to your next search, which ends up being GS, and that ends up being 011001111010101. You don't get much. You get traffic report, SEO reports, traffic information, various ranks analyzed, estimated value, who is information, geolocations, content analysis, and DNS records. So that could be an interesting thing to hit, but that's about all you get. Then if you move on from that, you got HE twice, but HE ends up being 01101000011000101. And if you run that against finance, you get going dark, going forward, House Committee on Homeland Security again. Trade secrets, financial transactions, and personal communications. All right, that's twice that's come up now. You also get a few other things. Digital asset planning. And you get, that's all on page 2. You got a few pages of stuff that some of it's relevant, some of it isn't. Watch for the numbers to be off. I mean, something might seem relevant to somebody else that doesn't seem relevant to me is the thing with these numbers. So if you move on from that, that takes you through forwards because HE is twice. Now you come back, and you got EH, which ends up being 0110010101101101000. And you run that against finance, you get on the complexity of coordination, and you get GitHub, a test case for a small, fast, and almost so you get a couple of things about finance here, but I don't know how relevant either one of them are, but they're there. Again, with finance, sometimes you don't get as much. We usually don't when it comes to the numbers, for sure. But then you move on from that, and you got SG, which ends up being 0.111001100110011, and you end up with open design specification for DWG files. And that's about it. You got a couple other results, but that's about all you got. So again, it's there, but it's not a lot. And then but then you're really interesting if you go to NI, which ends up being 0.1101111001101, and run that against finance, you get going dark, going forward, House Committee on Homeland Security, again, trade secrets, financial transactions, and personal communications. You get that business and finance, warosu.org, BizThread, credit union industry update. So you got a few things going on with that. What programming languages do drones run on? Economics, jobs, so you got that. Planning, Policy, and Governmental Affairs, October 18th, 2018. So you got a few things going on with that. And that gets you through going forwards and backwards in finance and binary code, regular binary code. Now, I started to run genetics, and I'm going to tell you right now, genetics was a really interesting run so far with the one that we did run. And so I'm really interested to see what the genetics comes up with. Then we'll do medical. We'll do genetics, medical. We'll do chemicals. We'll do technology. We'll do research groups. And we'll do random hits. We've already got finance, right? And we'll run all this with the binary and see what more information we can get out of these particular changes. And then we'll move on and try to find out what we can find out from the Bible changes. So if anybody knows what order Matt to bed, and the lion shall lay down with the lamb, and the lion shall dwell with the lamb, and the wineskins and bottles, if anyone knows what order, remembers what order that's in. Otherwise, I will probably just roll with something, and we'll see what we get. It really doesn't matter, because a quantum computer will scramble those letters and run them in every conceivable way. If they're running a search and code, and they're leaving a code, they will run that every way. And we won't get it all because there's multiple Bible changes, and it's a big book, so it'll probably be a little bit like trying to decode the Big Lebowski or Star Wars. Like when we had the Big Lebowski, I couldn't record the car alarm missing, and when we did Star Wars, there was I couldn't record Chewbacca not getting the medal anymore or decode that. I don't know how to do that. So it'd be interesting, and that I'm gonna leave this video at that, guys. Thanks for all your thumbs up, thumbs down. Thanks for all your comments, leads, feedback, and subscriptions. And thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll try to get through this. I'll try to get through as much as I can today and get those out so that we can get started on our next decode. I don't know how much more I'll get done, if anything. So, but we'll try. And that's going to be it, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. And for now, you guys have a great rest of your day.